Us first palpable spinous process, C2. Gently place down index finger and ring finger. Ask the patient to gently lift their head off the bed. There we go. You can just see them kicking off. And relax there. Move the finger. Strong tap. And then lift the needle up. Aim it towards the patient's nose or the centre of the face hole. And straight in. Like so. And then repeat that on the opposite side. You can put your template back on, but you be very gentle. C2, ring finger goes down, strong tap, and again if you need to come round to the side, make sure you got that angle, finger and thumb, and through towards the patient's nose. Alright? Then the second two, again with your template, ring finger mastoid process, index finger where the first one is, middle finger comes down just underneath that suboccipital ridge. Again, nice strong tap, and again through towards the nose. There we go. And then final one on this side. Ring finger mastoid process, index finger number one, middle finger just underneath suboccipital ridge, place it on, strong tap towards the patient's nose. And as you stand back, in TCM this is called a peacock's tail. You can kind of see that that's round, almost fanning out like a peacock's tail. And as you come to the side, you can see that the needles are all in a nice line running through towards the patient's nose. Alright? If you want to stimulate these, you can, ever so gently. Just a little pulse, like so, finger and thumb is more than enough. But generally just inserting and leaving these alone, allowing those peripheral mechanisms to take place is more than enough. Everybody happy with that? No, but you will be in a minute. It's all good. It's all good. Any questions? Any questions? You're just looking at me like, I fucking hate you. It's fine, I get that.